I made a video about white balance and why your photo looks like this, and I had a lot of people asking me how to use an expo disc because in my other video I only talked about a gray card. Well, if you're interested in buying an expo disc so that you can set a custom white balance, this video is for you. My name is Nancy, I'm your TikTok teacher of photography, and I'm going to teach you how to set a custom white balance with your expo disc. Let's get into it. Step number one, you're going to put the expo disc in front of your lens. Now, if the expo disc does not attach to your lens, that is okay. It can be bigger than your lens, that is fine. You simply just have to hold it in front of your lens. It has to cover the entire lens though. So if it's smaller than your lens, you've got a problem. Step number two, you are going to go to where your subject is standing, and you're going to point your camera where you will be standing to take their photo, okay? This allows the expo disc to see the light that will be coming on to your subject, okay? So it's really important that you stand beside your subject or where your subject will be and point your camera where you will be taking the picture from. The next step is to set your exposure properly so that on the light meter on your camera, the indicator is right at 0 in the middle. Here is an example photo of that. Now, you need to manipulate your ISO, your shutter speed, and your aperture, ideally in manual mode, in order to get that ticker to 0. Now all you have to do is take a photo. Remember, you're standing beside your subject or right where your subject will be. You are pointing at the area that you're going to be taking an image from. You have the expo disc over your lens. You have your light meter at 0, and you take a picture. If you can't take a picture because your camera has nothing to lock focus on, that is okay. There is a switch on your lens and it says MA and A. All you need to do is switch it over to M so that it is in manual focus. It will allow you to take a picture. Just remember to switch it right back over to the MA setting. The last step is the same as with the gray card. You're going to go into your camera menu settings, go into your white balance menu, and you will select custom white balance. At that point, the camera is going to ask you what image you want to use to set your custom white balance, and you will choose the image that you just took with your expo disc. Now you can take that expo disc off of your lens, you can go back to the area where you will be taking the photo of your subject, and you can begin your photo session. Just remember that if the light is changing, for example, if it is golden hour, the light is constantly shifting, this is not ideal because the white balance is only going to be correct as long as you are shooting in the same light. I hope this has been helpful. Drop your white balance questions in the chat and I will see you on the next video, my friends. Bye.